am recording now the session. The people who are here will receive the recorder after the meeting, and also the people who cannot be here, they will receive the recorder of the meeting, okay? Today is a special day because we are presenting with Professor Sayed a very nice course, who is the vibration therapy. He will explain better than me. We'll try to explain to all of you how is the course. But before, tell me, please allow me to present myself. I am Professor Di Rocca, and I am the director of the NPR International School. Our school is an interdisciplinary school. We teach all around the world. We teach in America, Europe, and Asia. The whole world is in our school. And it's a school for all medical sciences. We teach for medical doctors, for dentists, physiotherapists, osteopaths, optometrists, psychologists. All medical sciences are included in our school. The NPR, I tell you shortly what is NPR before I start deeply in the course. NPR is a protocol. We have a special protocol for all medical sciences, and the name is myofunctional postural rehabilitation. What they mean? Because the NPR is a name, but it's important you understand what it is. Many, many years ago, I have 50 years in the medical science, and 40 years ago, I discovered that we don't talk the same language to work together. And that's why 40 years ago, I created the NPR. NPR is a method to see the patient in the same way. What do I mean? To see holistic the body, and to every one of the medical science understand the work of the other. Imagine, for a dentist, it's very difficult to know what the physiotherapy is doing. But the same for the physiotherapy. It's very difficult to understand what the dentist is doing. The same for the doctors, for the osteopaths, for all medical sciences. And that's why I created a protocol, whose name is NPR, to see the patient in the same way and to understand what we have to do together. Why? Because the neuromuscular skeletal diseases, they don't have only one cause, and we cannot treat alone these particular patients. We have to treat and work together, all medical sciences. But how we can work if we don't speak the same language? Do you know, I am Italian, no? If I speak in Italian now, you don't understand me. I have speak English, yes. And the same if I speak Spanish, you don't understand if you don't speak Spanish. It's very difficult to speak different languages, but it's very simple to speak the same language in the medical sciences. Very, very simple. That's why I created that particular protocol that is named NPR, myofunctional postural rehabilitation. And what it is, and that's why I explained that, because you have to understand the vibration therapy is a tool into the protocol. And the diagnosis is the same, the point of view is the same, the language is the same, but we have different tools in our school. And we teach for all medical sciences these tools to work together. And that is vibration therapy. Vibration therapy is part of the NPR. It's a technique. NPR is a method. It's not a technique. It's a method who have a lot of techniques into the methods. All physiological techniques, all neurophysiological techniques, not invasives, and very simple techniques to apply for the different parts of the medical sciences. That is NPR. And our school teach all medical science together. And they teach first, we have an introductory course that is called NPR Fundamentals, not that the people understand what is the philosophy of the NPR, just to understand each other. And then we have particular courses. One of the courses is vibration therapy, that today our professor, Dr. Sayed, will explain to a lot of you, and I will try to explain also. Will be an active meeting, that one. That is the thing why we call all of you into our virtual room. This is the virtual room where we study. Where you are now is the virtual room where we are studying in our school. This is active virtual room, and also like this, we record the meeting. The students listen the recording at home. You can have Sayed explain later. He will explain the procedure of the meeting of the course. Sorry. You have lectures recorded in our web application. You can study at home. You can stay at home with the computer, PC, smartphone. In your time, you study the theory, and then we will open live workshops after 2 lectures. We will explain later in the vibration therapy. 2 lectures, and we have a live workshop to clarify doubts, to questions, etc., etc. And when you manage very well the theory, you will go to the practice. And in that way, you will apply the practice 100%. I am teaching for 40 years, and before I did theory and practical together, and the people were very confused because you are eating the theory, and you have to go to eat the practice immediately. And they go, what is that? Oh, Silverio, I don't understand. And that's why 20 years ago, I decided to do theory online, clarify doubts, and then in the practical session, you will apply 100% all the concepts. That is synthetically our school, yes. And then I will go to Dr. Sayed. He will explain better than me all the situation, and I will introduce also later. I will. Okay, Dr. Sayed, this is for you the words now. Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much, Doctor. Thank you for allowing me to speak. But I would like you to explain the certification and the recognition of the courses, like certifications and recognition of whatever courses we are running, like the vibration therapy or the master's program, which we have. Yes. And if you can explain and elaborate in brief regarding the certifications we have at NPR Science School.
Okay, well, I will try to explain. Our school, as I told you before, is an international school. All our courses, they have 3 certifications. It's a triple certification. One certification is a certification of the NPR International School of Switzerland. The second certification is from the R.M.P. Swiss. R.M.P. Swiss, this is the Interdisciplinary Swiss Association of Posturology, that where I, the vice president of this association, and the Professor Sandra Schutz, that is a medical rehabilitation, is a physician, is the president. It's an association in Switzerland also. And you will have also the certification of the International Interdisciplinary Association of Posturology of Switzerland. And the third certification is for the Y University, is the Open International University. We have certification of the university, we have certification of the Association of Posturology, and you have the certification of our school, triple certification. And that is very important, I think, because it's a very complete certification for all the people who were into the course. Okay?
Yep.
If you want to tell for me something more, if it's not, you can go ahead. Okay.
Yes. So we have designed this vibration therapy. It's the first kind of course which we have developed in MPR Science School. This vibration therapy we have introduced. It is as a part of our multidisciplinary approach for rehabilitation. This vibration therapy is a non-invasive therapy, which we are going to start up with, and we have subdivided into many lectures. For example, the whole body vibration, we have explained in a very great way how this whole body vibration therapy is going to help us. And initially, we have just in the introduction of the vibration therapy, we have explained the connections, which is very, very important when you are dealing with any kind of patient. We need to understand, we are watching patient as a whole, but we need to see at the micro level. We are concentrating from the micro and then reaching to the macro levels. That means connections. When cell is healthy, the tissue is healthy. And when the tissue is healthy, the organ is healthy. And when the organ is healthy, organ system is healthy. And we have talked in detail regarding this. And also we have explained how we are connected to each other, how we are connected to the universe, because this is very important for us to understand how this vibration is directly in related to us, and how this vibration is really a part of our living. And by this, we have then talked about in this course for the whole body vibration therapy, then the other rehabilitation devices, vibration therapy devices in the market, how they are going to help us, how to utilize them. Then we have also approached to the Oromotor rehabilitation science. This lecture will include the rehabilitation of the dysphagic, the spastic or paraplegic or dysphagia kind of patients, and also those who are having difficulty in swallowing, motor related problems in the mouth and all, oromotor rehabilitation science. For that reason, Dr. Deroka is also going to take some lectures on it, who will brief you up regarding the anatomy and the working of the orofacial muscles and how it is related to our posture. And it's going to be a very excellent course setup, what we have just introduced. But at our MPR Science School, our main motto is to teach in such a way that when you have completed the lessons from our virtual rooms, then you have to come for the practical sessions. And after completing the practical sessions, we make sure that each and everyone becomes an expert in handling the cases with vibration therapy, and how to take the detailed assessment, how to just recognize whether the patient is ideal for vibration therapy or not. We are going to teach everything. So our curriculum is based on we have a pre-recorded lectures. In every month, there will be 2 lectures, followed by a third lecture, which will be a live lecture in which we will be discussing. There will be a question answer session for what you have learned in the previous 2 lectures. And this will continue for another few months. And after that, after 6 lectures, continuously we have 6 lectures, 2, 2, 2, 2, and followed by one live lecture every month. And after 6 lectures, Dr. Deroka is going to take another 4 lectures. In the 4 lectures also same way, 2 lectures and 1 followed by a live session. After you have completed all the theoretical classes, and you will receive the ebook also. And if you request, we can send you a hard copy also. We will let you know how to obtain the hard copy also for our course. And thirdly, there will be the 2 days hands-on workshop. In hands-on workshop of 2 days, our program is that we will be recalling what you have learned. All the lectures, what you have learned, will be summarized. Okay, after summarizing the lectures, we will be then going for the hands-on practical. for the whole body vibration, for the vibration devices, how vibration therapy is also helpful in the ICU setups. We are going to talk about that also. In OPD setups, in neurological centers, how you are going to, in sports centers. We have not confined it to a particular branch of medical science. We are going to talk how it's going to help in each and every aspect of health. Do you get me? Then after that, after you have completely done with the practical sessions, there will be a questionnaire which you have to answer and all. After the answering it, then you will be granted the certification from the 3 bodies which Dr. Silverio has already explained to you. And regarding the course and all, you have now understood. And secondly, the course is the batch will be of maximum 20 and minimum 10. Because why we have limitized this? Because we want everybody to have the perfection in reading and learning. We don't want to have a large number of people and those who are not usually we have been the students. Usually when we go for some courses, we will be at the back and we will tell that we will learn at home. They give us material and then we will learn at home. But it's not the way how we teach. We make sure each and every in the virtual room or outside the virtual room in the practical sessions, you will become an expert on the very day after learning the things. We will wait unless and until you will not understand fully the concept and the implementation of the vibration therapy program. And currently what we are going to start up the session in the month of May. The session will be started and Dr. Silverio will explain to you after my lecture how you are going to go for the registration and all. And after you have registered in the month of May, our first batch practical session will be in Kashmir. And in Kashmir, there will be the practical sessions, the first batch practical session for the Asians. For the Europeans, we have not yet decided. We'll be deciding the venue for the practical sessions. And each and every batch will be having 20 clients. And now I hand over to Dr. Diroka to explain the process, how you are going to register yourself.
Okay, so thank you so much. I will share my screen now. You can check if the screen is ready. There is the application. I will show you the application. I will show you how the application works in there. Let me share the screen and I will manage to. Okay. Here is our schedule. I think you are seeing.
Yes.
Okay, then check if you're seeing very well. Okay, this is when you arrive in our school. In our school, no. This is the NPR International School. This is the link. We will share the link for all of you later. Yes. This application you have to record you register. Sorry, in the application we have a lot of courses in different languages, as you see here. We have 33 courses in there, everyone. But if you put here in the application vibration, vibration therapy is arriving to the course. You click in there, and you are into the vibration. This is the access. When you click in here, you can pay the course. You can register and pay the course. This is information about the course, general information. This is the email and just to contact with our company, the 2 lecturers. And this is the modules. You have the modules in the first module, the introduction. This is a free one. You can see the video if you enter. The second module, when you go here, is that one. The third module, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the NPR fundamentals. You will have a lecture from me. the posturology basis, because you have to understand the basis of posturology also, the posturometry, that is the measure of the posture, and here you will have craniofacial diagnosis, and then the book of vibration therapy. This is all here. I will try to sign in, and I show you one of the video. When you register and sign in, you are into here. And here is the one who is the introductory. This is a free lecture, the model 1. And you can understand here all. You have the program of the course here in PDF and the presentation of the course. If you go here, you
introduce
start
and present a very interesting topic, which is vibration therapy, vibration science, and we are going to deal with
all the lectures are like this. All the lectures, you go here, different types of vibration therapy, your video, all the material here. You can learn at your home when you want. Everyone have different lectures. Everyone, this is locked because it's not free. Also, you can, when you pay, it's open. Yes. And each one is all the lectures is in the electronic book. And when you go to the school, you go to the access of the course, and you can pay here. This is the cost of the course, and you click here and then pay. You can pay by credit card here, and then when you pay, you already have theory and practice. This is how normally we teach in our school. We teach in our school in that way. Why I am telling that? Because the application, as I told you before, you have all the theory there. When you go there, you can listen and you can start to study at home with a PC, with your mobile phone, with your tablet, anytime you want. When you are free, you can study. When we finish the lectures, we will open this, as you see here, is a live workshop. After the lectures, we will open a live workshop for the people who is taking the course. And we talk together like now. You can do questions, you can talk with us, with the professors, and then we'll explain all the theory. Why? Because sometimes there is some gaps into the learning, and you have to understand very well the theory to go to the practice. When we know theory is ready, practice is very easy. It's very, very easy, because the theory is just in a hard, deep, and then you can go directly to manipulate the devices of vibration therapy. The other thing is you will have the access of the school, of the
Course.
course. When you go to there, you are into our school. You are into the learning people in our school, and you will receive also our information, etc., etc. In our school, into the application, you have different courses, but also you have free videos and free things into the applications. Normally, we put in different languages, different videos for free for the people who is registered in the application. Even if it is not taking a course, no? If you are registered into the web app, you will have some free material. And when you register into the course, you will be in to the web application, and you will receive information. We do different live workshop like this. This is a workshop talking about the course, but some workshops are for different topics for free, talking about different topics, and only for the people who is into the web application. This is roughly the whole process of the course. Is very simple, and we will share to all of you if you are here to listen to us, you already are into our web application. You are also learning, you are learners on application. If it's not, you cannot stay in the live workshop. But even if you want to share with people in front of you, you can share the link and they can register also into our application. We have also a YouTube channel, we have socials, we have LinkedIn, different things in our school to communicate with our people. And also when we will start the course, we ask to the people to share with us the WhatsApp number. Why? Because with the WhatsApp number, we will create the groups for the courses to communicate, to send communication. That is very important. You know, WhatsApp today is the easy way to communicate everywhere. It's very easy. And then when we have the group, we can send communication, etc., etc. Listen, there is a course, we change that, we have to do that, etc., etc., etc. Another thing is, in these courses, all our courses, we have minimum 10 people, maximum 20. If we have more than 20, we open a second batch. And we don't put all together. Each batch of students will be minimum 10, maximum 20. Why? Because it's very difficult to teach people more than this number. There is not a teaching, it's information only. And we have in our school, we want you learn, not only be informed. You have to learn and you have to work. Say this, Sayed is a very good profession. I will send the patient to Sayed. Professor Roca is very good professor. No, you have to work. And to work, you have to be trained. And that's why we have a maximum, not more than that, because if it's not, it's different. For the practice have two places to do the practice. For the people who want to travel, there is two options. We have the practice in Kashmir, in the clinic of Dr. Professor Sayed. And also, if some people want to travel to Spain, we have the place in Spain, in Cordoba city, in Spain, of our school. We have two options. The difference is the price, because to organize the practice in Cordoba, there is a little more expensive to move Dr. Sayed to Cordoba, and the practice will be a little bit more expensive than Kashmir. Okay? In Kashmir, is that price is included the practice. If the people who came to Cordoba, there is a little increase in to the travel expenses of Dr. Sayed to Cordoba. You have two options. Spain, if people want to travel to Spain, that is a good option. Cordoba is a good city to travel, and also Kashmir is a very nice city. We have two fantastic cities to do our practice. You want to tell something more, Sayed, before we...
No, it's perfectly okay, and we are waiting for those who are ready. They can join us as soon as possible, because 20 means, as we had only 100 registrations, today we get more than 100. So better is that to book the slots and let us start communicating the knowledge and build up the fundamentals of vibration science in our day-to-day practice.
Yes. This is, 20 persons. We have 100 here and another people waiting for another presentation in 2 weeks, because the meeting room here is for 100, no more. And we are waiting for another presentation in 2 weeks for other people who are waiting. So if you are interested in the case, just register, because the first 20 will be disappear immediately. I think it's very, very shortly time. Okay, and we will start the lectures when you can register now, and when you register, you will have the access to the course. Okay, it's immediately that this is immediate to start to learning. Okay, I think if they can want to have question to you or to me, they can put the hand up and I will open the microphone if there's any question.
Yes.
Just to do some question, you can also open the microphone. You have the microphone closed. The people who want to do some question is just to click in the microphone and then the microphone. If it's not, you can do in a chat. I write in the chat here. You can write in the chat here. I send you hello for everybody. You can write in the chat if you want any question. Write it. This is okay. If it's not questions, we close the sessions today, and then we will go to directly to the class. We wait a little bit.
Yes.
I think it was all clear. It was all clear. The people understood very well. Okay, there is no question for that. All right. Okay, Professor Sayed, I have to say for everybody, thank you so much to be here.
Thank you very much, Doctor, for allowing me to speak. And we are waiting for now the registration, and then we will with it.
Okay, and I will see all of you if you want to learn about vibration therapy in our course, in our web application, and in Kashmir for the practice. Okay. Have a nice day, everybody, and see you next in our school. All right.
Thank you, Doctor.
Bye bye, everybody. See you. Bye bye.